Okay, so he's put Samara down the well, if you recall that wonderful movie, The Ring. It's a conundrum. And he put me down the well. And an immortal, you know what I mean? And now I'm in all the waters like Samara, and I'm in all your TVs like Samara, I'm in your computers like Samara, and plugged in. So I'm in Weezer videos, Weezer videos, I've noticed this, and a lot to do with Weezer videos. They're great, they're wonderful videos. End of the Game, all my favourite songs, Lana Del Rey in it. The video changed a lot, but this is one about me anyway. Welcome to my neighbourhood. That's not really. Hi, the guy. I figured it took a bit of work. It's a piano song in a different key, so if you have questions about the chords that I use and stuff, feel free to comment for once, if you're out there, and I'll be more than happy to explain what I do if you can't get it for yourselves. So the size of Kite, baby. It's all worth. I gotta